Good morning. Today I am having a very busy, hopefully very productive day. I am cleaning my glasses because I seriously can't see without them. It's getting bad. But I was up at 7 this morning and I got straight on my computer. I've literally been there non-stop since. It's now 9:30. I'm about to duck out and help my friends set up for the Halloween party tonight. I'm gonna come home, do a bunch of work, and then get ready for the Halloween party. Hopefully my costume and my makeup all works out. In this bag here, I have all of my decorations. I made this one last year. It's a little skull I painted black and I glued some flowers and some bats to it. I ended up making 2 of them last year and I think they're so cute, but I have so many different decorations and whatnot in here. I've got tombstones and like tinsel. I have those like little fingers and eyeballs and all that kind of stuff. So I thought I would take this over and help set up the decorations for tonight's party. And then yeah, we're just gonna try and get as much done today. We're at the studio and I think we're gonna decorate the kitchen because everybody will probably spend most of the time here. These are all the decorations we have and I'm about to put together some spider webs and I think I'm gonna hang them across the back there. Do you think that'll work? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's do it. We're starting to make some progress. I think it'll look really cool in here when it's dark because it's so bright right now, but once it's dark and you just have a little bit of lighting from the candles and everything, I think it'll look really good. I think we're pretty much done setting up. We've got this tablecloth, some drinks. These bowls are from Dollarama to put some chips in later. And then I have these decorations from last year, just like 7 fingers, and then all of these little skeleton animals. We've got spider webs, spiders in the spider webs, and then a couple of these fake candles, which look really cool. Some of these skulls that we picked up this morning from Dollarama, and then a couple of little DIY things that I did last year. But I think it's gonna look really good later tonight when it's all dark. I just got home. The studio is all set up for tonight. I'm just gonna make myself a little iced coffee with the ice because I feel like crunching on some ice. And I need to finish off a video that I've already filmed and do all of that. And I also have to just figure out whether I want to make any changes to my costume and then actually get on with putting my costume together. The 2 things that I need to do are put some of these into the bottom of the shoes and then decide whether I need to dye my stockings just a little bit darker. The problem is when you put them on, they stretch out and they go quite light, and I don't know if I want them to be that light against my dress, although it may work better, I'm not sure. It might be fine, honestly. I've decided I am going to dye the stockings a little bit more. I will probably have to dry them a little bit with a hairdryer later, but I figure why not? I've got some time today to make this happen, so they only need to be in the water for maybe 15 minutes at the most, really. I think that's probably enough. Like, that water's looking pretty pink. I just have to get it to just under a boil. I think we're ready to pop them in, and yeah, I think I'm gonna leave them for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna sit here with my coffee and get some of this video stuff done. I can't believe it's 1 o'clock already. I feel like I'm starting to run out of time. I'm pretty much done with my video stuff. I'm actually just waiting for the video to export. In the meantime, I went into my bathroom cupboard, the disastrous mess that's in there, and pulled out some of my old eyeshadow palettes. I think these have some more pink tones in it. Yeah, like this one's quite pink. And I think this old one that I have, what is this called? The Balm, the Nude Beach collection. Yeah, there's lots of pinks in here. So I should be able to do my makeup with those. I also have this one that has a bright red in it. I have some shimmery products. products. And then I guess this is my Halloween box because I can tell that I've used this to obviously do something creepy with black eyeliner. Wow, this is a mess. This is the NYX Jumbo pencil. Clearly didn't have a pencil sharpener, so I just probably hacked into it with a knife. Out of my regular box, I have these two eyeliners that I'm going to use to test to try and do the cracked doll thing on my face. But I just realized this white marker, it's not a marker, it's an eyeliner, or whatever it is. This one's actually empty, and I was going to use this to do the whites of the eyes. I think I'm going to have to duck out and go to Shoppers and get probably just a NYX Jumbo pencil in milk, because otherwise I have nothing to do the whites of the eyes with. I've just jumped on YouTube to have a look at some of the cracked doll videos. I watched this one the other day and it's really good. So I think I'm gonna do a little crack on my forehead and maybe on my cheek as well. I do really like this one the most, so I'll probably give that a shot. But pretty much everyone has the underneath of their eye in the white, so I really think it's better if I just quickly duck out to Shoppers and go and get a white eyeliner. I just got back from Shoppers and I ended up getting 3 pencils or 3 eyeliners. This one's a pencil one. This one I think is a liquid one. And then I also just got an extra black liquid just in case the other 2 run out. I look utterly ridiculous. I just kind of tested it out. I will be far more precise when I actually go to do my makeup, but I tried a couple of different cracks on my head. I don't like using the bigger, newer eyeliner I just purchased for the whole thing. The small cracks need to be drawn by the other eyeliners, but I can fill in the black gap with the new one I just bought. This is what happened with my eye. I have lashes to stick on the top and the bottom. I was contemplating about cutting up the bottom lash and sticking them on individually. I may still do that. I might actually try and stick some individually, and then if I hate it, I can take those off and just put a full strip on. I've got some pink eyeshadow going on. I've got the pink lips that are kind of smaller than my natural lips, so I will have to conceal and cover those sides of my lips. But from far away right now, and my eyesight is getting bad, this eye looks bigger because of the white. Oh, also the pencil I bought is not so good. I'm gonna have to warm it up in between my fingers before I do this bit. But just trust the process. You just have to vision it, and I believe it will work out. But I feel and look utterly ridiculous. I'm gonna go shower, get myself fresh. I'm gonna put my hair in a braid tonight to be able to put my wig on. And oh my God, I need to steam the dress. I might do that before I shower. I'm gonna just have to keep looking like this for a little bit. And my friend's calling me about the party, so I'm gonna go deal with that too. I've had a shower, I've done a base of foundation and a base eyeshadow of just pink. I was Googling how to do the eyebrows because I'm not sure if I should do them really intense or just like I normally do. Everybody's is a little bit different, so I don't know. I'll figure it out in a minute. I'm gonna keep going with the eyeshadow. I got a little carried away. I am so pink. I look like a beetroot. I don't know if it's coming across as like pink definition, but I tried to contour my face with pink. I don't know if it worked. Probably not. But I'm actually kind of about ready to put some eyelashes on. And then I do actually have to brush my teeth real quick before I put any lipstick on, because it's easier to touch up afterwards. Then I get to put the contacts in, put the outfit together, and I'm pretty much done after that. This actually really didn't take as long. Oh, what am I talking about? I still have to do all the cracks on my skin. So that's probably what I should start with and get a move on with, is all of the cracks. My memory card ran out of space and I didn't really realize, but my makeup's pretty much done. I just have to do the lip color. I can't really see what it looks like right now, but I just put the lashes on, so they're still kind of drying. I need to brush my hair and braid it. been such a long time since I have braided my hair because my hair has grown a lot. My little tail used to be like this big, but I'm just gonna fold it up into itself like that. Wig over the top, but you know what would be really cute if I weren't wearing a wig? 2 braids, just 2 braids straight down. I used to do that all the time in high school. But yeah, I guess that I'm probably ready to put my wig on and get all of myself together. I just have to brush my teeth, do the lipstick. I can put all of this away now. I'm gonna take my eyelash glue with me in case one of these bad boys falls off. Part of me thinks I might have to just draw some black eyeliner over the top lashes because they're looking not quite right. Okay, that's much better. All right, it's time to get up and do the thing. Okay, I think I'm done. The only thing that I would do is possibly put like a crack on my chest as well, but what do we think? I love it. I think it's come out so well. I look so creepy. I love it. So dress is perfect. I actually think the stockings are a really good color. The shoes are amazing. I pulled a couple pieces of the wig back and just sort of tied them at the back because I think it just looks better. And then I pinned my bow in. I think it looks really cool, but I don't know, do I do like a crack here? I wonder if I should take my necklace off as well. I've come into the office because it's the corner of my apartment. It's the only place that has any decent lighting now because it's starting to get dark. I think it's gotta be after 5 for sure. So yeah, it's getting dark so early now, but this is the makeup. I did an extra crack here and a bit of pink contouring. I did it so quick and very, very messy, but I just took a bunch of selfies and like a little video that I can put on Instagram. Oh yeah, this is my outfit. I'm gonna take you with me and I'll show you like the setup at nighttime, and I might get Liz to take some more outfit photos for me and everything, but I love my little DIY bow I did out of ribbon and it looks so good. I'm so happy with it. I feel like it all just came together exactly how I wanted it to.